Higgledy Piggledy Sniggledy Wiggledy are 4 little piglets in a farm. They play around freely, eat in between, and keep a watchful eye over the barn. Higgledy hiccups all through the day, except when she sleeps on the sun-kissed hay. Piggledy picks up things left on the ground, be it a bottle or a bucket, and makes a grunting sound. Sniggledy loves snuggling and sleeping in the haystack. He often fights with Higgledy, who wakes him up with a whack. Wiggledy can't stop wiggling her cute little tail. She's the friendliest of them all and loves eating kale. Now that you know Higgledy, Piggledy, Sniggledy and Wiggledy, if you'd ever like to meet and greet, do visit the barn and bring them a treat. That brings us to the end of another bedtime rhyme. Off you go now into a land of beautiful dreams. This is MonMon wishing you all good night.